What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Car Explorer. Today, we have something really exciting for you. We're taking a detailed look at the brand new 2025 Honda City Aspire, one of the most talked about sedans in its class. So, if you're in the market for a stylish, feature-packed, and reliable car, this might just be the one for you. Stick around as we explore its exterior, interior, performance, and give you a final verdict on whether this car deserves a spot in your driveway. Exterior. First, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Honda City Aspire comes with a refreshed and modern design that makes it stand out on the road. The front features a sharp grille with a glossy finish, complemented by sleek LED headlights that give the car an aggressive, yet sophisticated look. Moving to the sides, the 2025 model has a more sculpted look with defined body lines that add to its sporty appeal. The Aspire trim, in particular, gets these gorgeous 16-inch alloy wheels, which give it a premium touch. The rear end is just as impressive, with angular LED tail lamps and a subtly integrated spoiler for that extra sporty vibe. Overall, the Honda City Aspire is elegant, dynamic, and refined, a car that looks as good in city traffic as it does on the open road. Interior. Now, stepping inside the 2025 Honda City Aspire, and wow, it's clear Honda's put a lot of thought into the cabin design. The interior is clean, modern, and loaded with tech, making every journey a pleasure. First up, the seats. They're covered in high-quality fabric with a premium feel, offering great comfort for both short and long drives. The Aspire variant also gets leather upholstery options, elevating the luxury feel. Up front, you get a 7-inch digital touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity, so you can stay connected and entertained no matter where you're headed. The dashboard features a simple layout with intuitive controls and high-quality materials. The cabin is spacious, offering plenty of legroom and headroom in both the front and rear seats, so everyone can ride comfortably. Plus, the boot space is pretty generous, making it an excellent choice for weekend getaways or grocery runs. Overall, the interior feels sophisticated, airy, and thoughtfully designed. Performance. Let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 Honda City Aspire is powered by a 1.5 LIVTEC engine that delivers a smooth and punchy performance. It produces around 119 horsepower, which is more than enough for city commutes and highway cruising. Coupled with either a 5-speed manual or a CVT automatic transmission, the Honda City Aspire offers a smooth driving experience, with responsive handling and decent acceleration. Whether you're driving through traffic or taking a longer trip, the car feels composed and stable. And of course, fuel efficiency is a highlight. The 2025 Honda City Aspire boasts impressive mileage, so you won't have to stop for fuel too often. With features like electronic stability control and a smooth suspension setup, the Honda City Aspire provides a balanced ride that's comfortable, even on rough roads. So, to sum it up, the 2025 Honda City Aspire brings a lot to the table. It has a stunning exterior design, a high-tech and comfortable interior, and solid performance that makes it a great choice for both city driving and longer trips. The Aspire variant, with its additional premium features, gives you the best of both worlds, luxury and practicality. Whether you're looking for style, comfort, or a fun driving experience, the Honda City Aspire has something for everyone. All in all, if you're looking for a reliable, feature-packed sedan with a touch of sophistication, the 2025 Honda City Aspire is definitely worth considering. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Would you pick this sedan over others in the market? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.